Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss problem A from last weekly contest from LeetCode. It's weekly contest 201. So the first problem we are going to discuss today is make the string great problem, and in this problem we are given a string s. So we need to return we need to convert this string to a good string. So definition of a good string is this, that we don't have any two adjacent characters such that s of I and si plus 1 uh, is is one of them is one is uppercase and other is lowercase, and they both result in same value. So for example, here we have this LeetCode. So here the character at first index is lowercase e, and the capital at and the character at second index is uppercase e. So they both result in value e, but one is lowercase and other is uppercase. So it's a bad string. So what we have to do, we just have to remove this case and output the resultant string. So it will be LeetCode. Here we have smaller a, small v, then capital V. So it's a bad part, we remove it. Then we after removing it, we have smaller a and capital A, then it's again a bad part, we remove it. And after that we have a smaller c and a capital C, then we also remove it. So in the end we have left with empty string, so we output that. In the third example test case, we have smaller s, which is a good string in itself, so we output the same string. So we can solve this problem using a simple stack data structure and iterating in the string from left to right fashion. So uh, let's take a good example where, like, we have uh, this string LeetCode. So here in the first case, we have like E and capital E. So how we can use this stack data structure to solve this problem? So let's take a stack. So we are iterating from left to right fashion. Okay, left to right. So we found L, so we push it into the stack. Then we found E, we push it into the stack. Then we found capital E, we check the last top element of the stack and check that this and this e result in the same value. Yes, it is either one of them is uppercase and one of them lowercase. Yes, it is. So we pop the last element from the stack. So we pop this element and we move to the next element, like we come here, t. So we push it into the stack. We push it into the stack, then we move forward, we push it into the stack, then we move forward, we push it into the stack, we move forward, we push it into the stack, we move forward, push it into the stack. So in the end our stack will contain only those characters which results in the good string in the end. So what we do, we just pop all the characters from the stack, E, D, O, C, T, L, and append into it to a string, and after that just reverse it. So L, T, C, O, D, E. So we'll have the good string in the end. Good string. Let's take one more example, a complex example where we have like so let's take one more example where we have this a, smaller b, capital B, capital A, smaller c, this. So we move from left to right fashion. We have encounter this, we push it into the stack, then we encounter B, we push it into the stack, then we encounter capital B, we check the top element of the stack is equal to the current is equal to the current uh, is equal to the current element, that's B. Sorry, yes, it is. So we pop this element, top element of the stack, we remove this, then we move forward, we reach here, we reach here, we check the top element of the stack is equal to this. Yes, it is. We pop this element of the stack 2. We pop this element of the stack 2. Now our stack is empty. We move in. We reach here. We push it into the stack. Then we reach here. Compare this element with the current element. Yes, they are same values, and they both are of same values, and one is uppercase and one is lowercase. So we pop last element from this element from the stack. So in the end we have an empty stack which results in the empty string. So empty string is our good string. Simple enough. So we can implement this by taking stack of characters st. Now we move from if we iterate on the string from left to right, and we have two conditions. First, if stack is empty, and second, if stack is not empty. So if a stack is empty, then we don't have to do anything, we just push the current element in the stack. Okay, else if stack is not empty, we take the last topmost element from the stack and we take the current element and check if these are valid or not valid. So if it's not valid, that is top and current are not valid, then we pop the element from the stack, else we push the element in the stack. Okay, now while stack is not empty, we append all the characters in the stack and st.pop, take a string variable, and in the end reverse the string and return answer. Now we just have to implement is not valid function. So it is very simple, is not valid. So char c1 and char c2, let's take. So we have first bool f1, let's say, so is upper. So first is uppercase, and then second is lowercase. Similarly, vice versa, first is lowercase and second is uppercase, and third condition is they both result in same value. So let's suppose we convert into the same case and they both result in the same value. So return f1 or f2 and end f3. So let's try run the sample test case. Compiler error, why bool f1, oh sorry, we have same variable declaration twice. Finished, lead code, empty string and s. Let's submit, guys. Accepted. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video.